welcome back to my channel. I did film a whole intro to this video just standing there with all my ingredients before everything was done. Right now I'm currently so full from eating so much cookie dough, but in today's video I'm so excited because I'm finally showing you a recipe that I've literally had written down in my notes for so long. I write down like little recipe video ideas whenever I have one, and so I'm so excited for you finally to be seeing it, and it is my healthy raw peanut butter chocolate chip cookie dough. The recipe is gluten-free, dairy-free, paleo, vegan, refined sugar-free, everything you could ever want. Most cookie doughs are filled with so much crap in it, and I think I heard once that like it's actually really bad for your health if you have like the raw cookie dough before baking it. However, this cookie dough is actually healthy. It's got chickpeas in it, which I know sounds so weird, but just trust me. I will put down the full recipe in the description bar if you want to take a screenshot of it or just to reference it. And also, most of the ingredients I use I actually got from my local health food store, which I will link in the description bar. I've actually got a website, so I will link all of the products that I got from them in my description bar if you'd like to check them out. I swear I'm literally at that health food store so much, so the fact that they've got an online store is kind of bad because I will now always be shopping on it, but two, really convenient if you're wanting to grab some specific things that maybe your local just like normal grocery store doesn't have, but still want it to be super easy and everything like that as well. Yes, anyway, let's get started into making this raw peanut butter chocolate chip cookie dough. So basically all you're going to need is some coconut flour, which I think, to be honest, is what like makes the recipe because it's got that very like cookie dough consistency. Pure maple syrup, almond milk, whatever chocolate you'd like. I've actually got a couple that I might like combine, but I've just got this one which is dairy-free, nut-free, gluten-free and naturally sweetened, which I like. Some form of nut butter. You can use almond butter, cashew butter, macadamia butter, whatever you prefer, but I just am going to be using peanut butter today. And then chickpeas, which sounds so weird, but honestly this is what makes it like that really nice like gooey cookie doughy consistency. So yes, that's all you're going to need. Oh my god. Okay, so I might bring you a bit closer. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just grab out like a big mixing bowl. Then you just want to grab your tin of chickpeas and just rinse and drain those out, just like so. And then you actually just want to blend up in a food processor about half of the tin. And then that should form like this doughy, crumbly consistency, which you can then add into your mixing bowl. And then using my coconut flour, I'm going to add in about a cup. As you can probably tell, I'm saying about of everything because honestly, I kind of just wing most of the recipes that I do and make them up as I go. Mix that all together, and then you want to put in half a cup of maple syrup, or really any liquid sweetener that you want. You could use agave or anything along those lines, and 3 tablespoons of your choice of nut butter. Mix that all together till it's all combined. And then I'm just going to add in a dash of almond milk and then add a sprinkle of salt. And you just want to go in with your hands and just kind of like press it together. Oh my god, honestly you cannot taste the chickpeas whatsoever. And the best part, which is the chocolate. So we're going to be using a mixture of this chocolate and this chocolate. Obviously just use whatever chocolate that you like. Literally just going to roughly cut up the chocolate into like big and small chunks. This is the brand of that chocolate that I just cut up. It's just Penna, which if you know my channel, you know how much I love Penna. I just love the ingredients. Like they're so clean and it tastes amazing. I'm just going to use the other chocolate as well, but I think I've actually got roughly enough. I'll mix this through and then have a look. Oh my god, look how good that looks. That is like the perfect cookie dough crumbly consistency. And then there you have it. That is my healthy, raw, sugar-free, gluten-free, dairy-free chocolate cookie dough. You can either roll this into some balls or make it into like a cookie dough slice, or you can literally just eat it like cookie dough. Oh my god, honestly so good. Also, what you can do if you didn't want all of this as cookie dough, you can actually just add baking soda in and you can make them into some cookies. But if you're like me and your favorite part of making cookies is always eating the cookie dough, you can just store it in a little container and then you can just go pick at it whenever You want?